Hi guys, my name is Indy, also known as Shlundee, and you're in my studio right now, so welcome.
Take like every sound you ever heard from any song, like if it would be moombaton or trap or hip hop or whatever, put those all together, mix them, and then then you get my sound, kinda. The guys who I look up to are Skrillex and Diplo, mostly because like they always innovate, like they come up with something new every time. The old school guys like Jay Dilla, Mobb Deep, and the whole old school hip hop scene, and some guys from the pop scene. The Antwerp music scene, in my point of view, it's improving. There are like these young people who are emerging and they're making like some of the coolest music I've ever heard. It's evolving, like it used to be only like trap beats and house beats and whatever, but like people are trying out new stuff, and that's something that like really amazes me.